The general continuous exponential equation is the amount final equals the amount initial times e to a growth or decay constant times t. If this is negative, we have decay, and if it's positive, we have growth. So as we look at our equation, we have negative 0.04 K, so we're looking at decay, and we have an initial amount of 450 grams. So as we look through our answer choices, we don't know that this is exactly the percentage, so we can't say A. Decay would be right, but it's not compounding. The initial amount is 450, so that's our true one. The initial amount is not that. The initial amount can be determined, and none of these is not right either. So the answer is B, because of this initial equation.